So I just want to start again and say that, congratulations, guys. And this is fantastic, fantastic reflection of you and your career again. Right? The two of you in bowling is just, you two and everybody else, Katie Hand and behind this, Tina, what a dynasty you've created at Kellenberg. And hopefully we can keep that up now that you're going to be graduating. But for you to be going on and being able to do that in college and to actually get scholarship money for that is just it's an achievement as most people strive for. Congratulations on that. Most of the time at this ceremony, I usually say how much of a different college experience you guys are going to have being a committed athlete. You're going to be asked to be held to a higher standard than other college students. And, and I think I'm very confident that you guys can do that, right? With everything you've done here at Kellenberg and everything you've been involved in, and all your activities and other sports, college is going to be a breeze. Whatever college is going to be like, who knows, especially in September. But I'm sure you guys are going to do very, very well, right? And we're all very proud. Do you have somebody there who can take a picture of you signing your doing your signing? Daisha, Alexis? All right, and if you could just, when you're signing that, we're going to email that to you for copy.
Okay.
And we can put that in with everything we have here. And we'll blast on that on media outlets. And something to be very proud of. Mr. Strauss, Mrs. Teaser, you have something?
Congratulations, ladies. We're very proud of you. I want to wish you the best of luck. Thanks for putting me on the spot, Mr. Frank. I've written something.
I just want to say what a pleasure it is to teach Daisha Howard. I know, Alexis, I didn't get to teach you, but knowing what you guys have accomplished, I want to just reiterate what Mr. Beckman said. You guys are going to make something of yourselves. I'm so proud of you. This is a great way to go out of Kellenberg. Signing a letter of intent. Well done.
Hey guys, can everybody just mute their mic? Except for the person who's talking? Great. Mr. Conrad, a few words for these guys? Or for Daisha at least?
Absolutely. I wouldn't omit Alexis. Alexis, your locker's been moved, but I have all your stuff in a bag and I promise you. Okay. Congratulations to you, Alexis. Daisha, I'm so sorry we didn't get our season together. But you know what? You're still one of the most special athletes to ever come through the softball program. You are the second athlete to do bowling and softball. I mentioned that to you that Steph Staiano, who now teaches at St. Martin's, does both sports. Congratulations to you. I'm going to see you because Felician plays Molloy. All right? So I'm going to be rooting hard against your team, but not against you. Love you, kid. Congratulations.
Thank you. And the master of our bowling dynasty, Miss Fracina?
Such kind words when we're not together, Mr. Beckman. Thanks so much. Just congratulations to you both. We had awesome 4 years together with bowling. Definitely could not have had the record that you girls had. You put us on the map. And I've said that to you, both of you, and all our seniors time and time again, that we went from a terrible season the year before you guys came in as freshmen with 0 and 10, I think was our record that year before the two of you came onto the game. And then you both have shined and done amazing things for us. And every time we go to a different match, every coach just says how much they appreciate all of your kindness towards their players. And you never once took for granted what you had. So congratulations to you both. Send me schedules. Molloy's nice and close, so I can come watch some of those. And Daisha, when you come home to play against Molloy, we'll be there for you, you girls on. So congratulations. Job well done. Awesome.
Great. Thank you. All right. So why don't we do it like this? Alexis, why don't we have you sign your letter first? And we'll get a picture of you.
All right.
Signing a letter for bowling for Molloy College.
All right.
Great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And Daisha, now you signing a letter for Felician University for signing a letter for bowling, but going to be a two-sport athlete playing bowling and softball. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Congratulations. That's fantastic. Great. All right, guys. Thank you very much for being here. I wish we could have been together in the Millennium Room and get you guys out of a couple of periods of classes and have a nice little breakfast like we usually do. But in times like these, we just have to settle for what we can settle for. All right. Again, we're so very proud of you and all of your hard work. And, you know, hopefully you come back and visit us, and maybe we'll get out there and see you guys play. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And look for this on social media. It'll be out there. Thank you.
Congrats.
Awesome job, ladies.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Daisha, I'm working on my TikToks. I'll send you some.
All right, good.
Nice job, ladies.
All right. Thanks, guys.